Hey everyone, welcome to Learn.YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn Laravel new UI Scaffold Breeze. Laravel Breeze is powered by Blade and Tailwind CSS. Breeze provides a minimal and simple starting point for building a Laravel application with authentication. Styled with Tailwind, Breeze publishes authentication controllers and views to your application that can be easily customized based on your own application's needs. Simple authentication system for your Laravel apps. Package is lightweight, simpler version of Laravel UI that uses Tailwind instead of the Bootstrap. Let's get started. First, install Laravel. In this video I'm using fresh Laravel install. If you not, then go to Laravel installation video, link in the description. Open Laravel Breeze GitHub website. Laravel Breeze made by Taylor Otwell. Go to installation doc. Laravel Breeze is powered by Blade and Tailwind CSS. Let's look at Tailwind CSS website. A utility-first CSS framework. Open your Laravel project in VS Code Editor. Open new terminal window. Open Breeze installation doc. Copy command. Open terminal and paste it, then hit enter. Breeze installation finish. Open again Breeze installation doc. Copy command for installation authentication files. Open VS Code Editor terminal and paste command. Scaffold installation finish. Now run npm install and npm run dev. For compile Tailwind assets. If you getting an error like this, then run npm command one by one. npm install. Then, npm run dev. Compiled asset successful. Open your Laravel project website and refresh page to see changes. Let's migrate database and log in to check authentication system. Open VS Code terminal. Write PHP artisan migrate and hit enter. Migration done. Open project website. Go to register page and create a demo account. Log out and log in again. Let's look how it's work. Open VS Code Editor. Open root directory, web.php file. It requires auth.php file. Laravel Breeze package is simple. Not complicated for beginners. Every get and post root is here. Take a look at controller file. Open app, HTTP, controller folder. Open auth directory. Here every root file belongs to authentication system. You can set validation rules. After registration, you can redirect user to destination URL by default redirect to homepage. You can check every controller file by yourself. Thank you for watching.